In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import form questions from Google Sheets. If you've got a list of questions in a spreadsheet and want them turned into a Google form without retyping everything, this walkthrough will save you a ton of time. Start by opening Google Sheets and loading the spreadsheet that contains your questions. It helps if your questions are organized clearly, for example with a header row and each question in its own cell. Clean, consistent text will import more accurately. At the top of your sheet, go to the Extensions menu. Hover over Add-ons, then choose Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace where we can add tools directly to Sheets. In the search bar, type Form Builder for Google Sheets. You're looking for the add-on that's designed to read data from your sheet and convert it into form questions. Select it, then click Install. You'll be prompted to grant permissions so the add-on can read your sheet and create or edit forms on your behalf. Review the prompts and continue. If you're on a work or school account and can't install add-ons, you may need admin approval. Otherwise, the install finishes in a few moments. If you don't see it appear right away, a quick refresh of the spreadsheet usually does the trick. Back in your spreadsheet, open the Extensions menu again. You'll now see Form Builder for Google Sheets listed. Click it, then choose Start. This opens the add-on sidebar on the right side of your screen. With the sidebar open, select the data you want to turn into form questions. Drag to highlight the cells that contain your question text. And if your sheet includes choices for multiple choice or checkboxes, include those cells as well according to how you've laid them out. Keeping your selection tight, only the question and related options, reduces cleanup later. The add-on reads that range and prepares matching questions in your form. If your sheet has a header row, make sure the add-on is set to treat it correctly so headers aren't imported as questions. From here, follow the on-screen prompts in the sidebar to confirm your selection and let the add-on build the questions. In most cases, it will detect question types based on your data and create the corresponding items in the form. If nothing seems to happen, recheck that you granted permissions and that the correct sheet tab and range are selected. And that's it. You've imported your form question straight from Google Sheets, turning a simple table into a ready-to-use form in minutes. Thanks for watching and happy form.